What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember, on this channel I always review my trade setup and my trade pairs. So on this video I'll be showing you how to get a good scalps or a good trace on XAUUSD. I noticed there is a lot of fear of people trading XAUUSD, and their fear is majorly based on where do I place my stop loss, that gold is too fast, the volatility is too much, that it will just trigger my stop loss and all that. Yeah, it's true, it do happen on XAUUSD. But here I'll be showing you how to trade XAUSD. Even though you have a $5 trading capital, you can still trade XAUSD. But note that once your capital is less than $10, I don't advise you enter a position with 0.03. Don't open 0.01 three times or placing a round up 0.03 loss size. This is just to enable you to take at least three trades, three consecutive losing trades before you lose the account. But if you can get three wins, you already flip your account, whether $5 or $10 account. So stay glued to this video and learn how you can be able to take trades and make good profit on XAUSD. So here on my 1 minute time frame, if you watch, you see that we have the market just pushing up in one particular direction. You can decide to go from a higher time frame to see exactly what the market is doing before you come back to your lower time frame and get a trade. But preferably, if you are not very good with technical analysis, I would advise you just stick to just a 1 minute time frame. This is how it works. First of all, if you notice here, market was selling, right? And if you notice, market was selling, and now market has sold all the way from here all the way down. On a higher time frame, if you trace, you might notice that markets rested on a support or retested a level and all that. But this is not our major concern on this video. Our concern is just taking a trade. If the market is going up, finding a way to take a trade in that trend direction on a 1 minute time frame and set our levels. If market takes our stop loss, we are done. If the market sees our TP, we are done. So we either allow the market to take our stop loss or take our break or take our take profit. So here is how you can find a setup on XAUSD. So from your 1 minute time frame, market is moving all the way to the upside. So here you can decide to connect your highs this way. Connecting the highs the market is creating, as you can see, that something of this nature. And you can also decide to connect your highs this way by creating a horizontal support area or a horizontal resistance area, right? And you can notice that market is just moving in this direction. The market is pushing up all the way. So now, if this market wants to keep going higher, the market should not go below this particular area. As you can see, market shouldn't go below this particular area. So for market to break this size, clearing this size, then remember I taught you people how to take breakout trades. Breakout trades must clear the previous week that have already formed on that particular level, be it support or be it resistance. So for more insights on how to trade a breakout, I will keep a video description of a video I created previously on this channel, how you can be able to take breakout trades. The name of the video is My Trading Strategy on XAUSD, episode 1 and episode 2. I threw more light on how to take breakout trades. So for this particular breakout, although this happened early in the morning, as you can see that for people at UTC plus 1 and UTC. So here is UTC 3 a.m. UTC and 4:06 a.m. UTC plus 1, as you can see there. And this happened today. So you take your trade at this particular place. Remember, you are making use of 0.01. So you can decide, once you see this candle break out from that channel, you can decide to take a breakout trade or you place a buy limit at that particular area, then place your stop loss just slightly below this level. Then your TP level must be at this high as your TP1 or at this second high as your TP2. This second high as your TP2. So you set your buy limit this way. So here is how it works. You set your buy limit this way and allow the market to play out in your favor. Now, if you notice, market broke out from that level, came back to retest here. Market broke out and then came back to retest at this particular level. If you want to scale on this particular trade, you can still decide to place another new position at in the presence of this particular engulfing bar, as you can see there. Then your new stop loss becomes the low, which is now the break even from that particular first initial entry. You can then decide to enter that way and still set your TP at that new high. Then you can set your buy limit again, or you can enter instantly at that particular level. So if you notice, the trade is already running concurrently. The trade is already running concurrently, both your first entry and your second entry. Your work is just allow the trade play out. Now, if you want to scale on this same trade, this is another way you can decide to scale. Now, since you already know that market is already pushing all the way up, you can decide now to mark your new resistance that market created around this area. Marking this resistance that market created here, a break above this resistance, you can decide to add new positions, of which that is what we did here. You can decide to add new position, but market came back to invalidate that level. But in as much as market came back to invalidate that level, these profits that are running here will still be running. So if you wanted to take a new trade from this particular level, it means that your entry should be around this place where the market broke above this level, which you are seeing. So the moment market broke here, you entered your new trade, and then your stop losses must be below here, and which market invalidated that particular entry with this candlestick that happened here. So if you took a break even, then which means that only these two trades will be running, while the trades you took at this third entry, market will automatically close it. And if you are on break even from this trade, to the market will also close it at this particular level due to this pullback that happened there, and then invalidated your third entry. So I will personally advise that once market leaves your entry zone, I will advise that you avoid taking extra trades, because market might likely invalidate as it did at this particular level. Market might likely invalidate that entry. So as you have taken first and second entry from this back test, I will advise that you just take first and second entry at that our entry level, at our break and retest level. After that level, allow the market to play out to our TP. Sometimes it might favor you to add more positions, but sometimes market will invalidate, as you can see from this particular video backtest. So for this level we place our TP, you people might ask, why must our TP be at this level? Now let me explain something. Whenever you see a channel like an ascending triangle channel, of which that is the channel we saw here, this is forming something close to an ascending triangle, right? If you're a pattern trader, so this ascending triangle, you always target the major high from that area, like swing high at that particular area. That's always a major target. You can also decide to use here, this is target here, as your first TP. You close some positions at this particular level while you allow the next to run for TP2. So these are the TP levels, of which that might likely be the reason why markets have to react the way it did at these areas. So this will likely be the reason why market reacted the way it did at this particular area. So trying to consolidate and close some positions from people that enter this trade around this area. And now market has already broken above our TP2. And if you notice, it broke above the TP2 and came back to retest at that particular TP2 before now pushing way higher from that particular level. So today is Friday and also NFP. I don't know, but we can decide to still make some analysis for NFP. Okay, even if you have more positions running, you can still decide to hold for TP3, which happened at this level. Here is our TP3 level, of which you can see that market also smashed TP3 if we have anything like TP3 on this particular trade. And At TP2, market is already giving us 108 pips. 108 pips. So at TP3, if it's for someone that maybe allow the trade to play on what I will call, they allow the trade to just play out without setting a TP level. So TP3 is already giving you 160 or 170 pips at TP3. So 170 pips and you're in two positions already means that you are making $32, which is 320% of your $10 account, or more than 600% on a $5 account, which is a huge profit. And this trade started by anybody that took this trade around 4:05 a.m. or 3:05 a.m. UTC plus one and UTC respectively. So and the trade went from that time till now that I'm recording this video, which is 11:20 a.m. UTC and 12:20 a.m. UTC plus one. So this is how you can be able to cash some good trades on XAUSD, just trading patterns, and XAUSD respects pattern so much. So aside this, I would like to also know your thoughts on this particular video in the comment section. And how do you trade XAUSD? Which strategy do you use to trade XAUSD? Do you trade with psychology level? Do you trade SMC? Do you trade? Let me know in the comment section which strategy you use on XAUSD and if you are profitable with that strategy. So see you in the comment section and see you also on our next video on this channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on bell notification if you love this content and would like this content to be recommended to other lovers of XAUSD. See you on our next video. Jovianking trades. Wishing you the best of trade. Bye bye and don't blow your account.